Hey, what's going on, Freedomers? All right, so how I use the Conversion Pros. Um, how I use the Conversion Pros. I'm Faith from Faith for the Freedom Academy. We're gonna talk about it. What is Conversion Pros? Funnel system used to automate your business. It is a tool that will teach you what you know, what you need to know to create a successful business online. It will not do the work for you. You can do certain things like paying for leads, but it will not do the work for you. It is just a tool. How have I used it? I've recruited other people in network marketing. This is how I got my first payment from the Conversion Pros, and I've used it for different clients, building my funnels for my digital agency client funnels. Um, I've used it for my different business offers. I've used it as a webinar. I've used it. I used it for instructions for signing up for my offer. Like I got my first sign up using Level Rewards, and I used in the funnel had the instruction videos in it, and he signed up just with the videos he used with the videos he saw in the funnel. I've used it as a lead magnet for my business, like lead magnets, like stuff to give away for free, like free trainings, similar to a webinar. You can use it for affiliate marketing. If you have no money, I mean no money, like it doesn't take a credit card to use in the at least for 2 weeks now, to like give a 2 week free trial. This is a great way to learn the craft of a business that took the creation out of it, meaning you don't have to create nothing, you just have to follow the system. Most of it is automated, meaning you're gonna have a funnel, you're gonna have a product, you have a product to sell, you have a funnel, you have a product to sell, you have the funnel to back it up, and then you just have to put in your PayPal to get paid. So all you have to do is get the traffic. And saying with this, I wish I would have took this more seriously a couple years ago, because um because it's free, and all you have to do is get people to sign up in the first week. It used to be 7 days, now it's two. You have 2 weeks to sign somebody up, and three people up, so it could be free, and they just keep going and going and going, and it provides you with the people that you can target. Don't despise humble beginnings. A $25 commission can go a long way, especially if it's multiple $25 commissions, especially if it comes in every single month. I'm going to show you my first commission in the Conversion Pros. You see, it's real. This is my email. This is my password. Um, as you can see here, the Conversion Pros, May 6th, 2019. I don't know if when I was making a video, and I actually didn't follow my advice, and that was the problem. Don't despise humble beginnings, because that $50 was two people that I signed up with in FES. They didn't have a funnel, they didn't have any of that. They paid $50, and it taught, and the guy, and I even have a testimony about it. And if I would have kept that, because the thing is, what Conversion Pros, I've been going back to it for years. Like, I've created multiple emails for over the years, just multiple emails to re-sign up for the service, because it's the simplest. Um, it is the simplest, and I'll show you what it looks like here. It is the simplest uh funnel system ever. Like, I always come back to this system. It is the simplest funnel system I've ever seen in my life. and that's that's why I said I wish you take it more serious. I'm actually glad I didn't finish this here. So I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna finish this funnel right here. So this is the funnel I'm gonna be putting up to use for this free training that I'm using. And this is going to be the video that I'm making now is going to be here. So after I'm done making this video, this is the video that's going to be how I automated my business use Conversion Pros, and then the free trial is going to be here, and the free trial is going to be here, and the what's it called, the $50 straight for action takers who just want to pay $50 and go, it's going to be here. So yeah, so I'm gonna show you real quick. You can go, this is the newer site. Get started, build a business, and it gives you the automated training. Nothing difficult, nothing, and it's step by step too. Same thing, it shows you step by step, so you don't even have to like go hard. I already, this is why I say I regret this, because I'm not doing that no more. I'm gonna take massive fucking action on this, because like this is free. You get this for free, and you get all this training, and they've updated over the year, because all this training used to be on YouTube and they put it on Vimeo, I guess, so to keep it private. And step 4, etc., etc. So what I want to show you is also they have, the training, the affiliate training. You know what I'm saying? You have the affiliate, how to make money with TCP. As I showed you before, it's possible. This was in May 6th. The only reason why again, my regret, don't make my mistake, is I didn't continue this effort. That could have been $50 every single month if I just stopped using the Conversion Pros, and I just stopped, and I was being lazy. You feel what I'm saying? And I shouldn't have did that, because that could have been $50 every month. Especially if they're still using the service. How to market on Twitter, how to market on Facebook, how to market on, wait, let me see. How long is this video?
In this video, we're going to teach you how to market on Facebook for your, first of all, how can I help? You don't even,
as you see, they have training here.
Okay.
I think it's probably like an hour long. How to market on Twitter, how to market on Craigslist, how to follow up with your leads, pre-enrolls, how to follow up, how to get trials to convert, share codes, next video, advanced comp plan, and one thing that my mentor, no, not my mentor, but well, I would say my mentor, Miss Steph Perez, I would call her that. She said something that I want you to take from this free training, on my opinion. Don't join this and not go through it. I'm gonna take the time for the first time ever, because I've noticed about this business for years, and not like go through it, like study it. Like I take bits and pieces from it, but like it's hard to sell, even though I've sold it before, but it's harder to be convicted about something when you're not fully like convicted, like you haven't used it to its fullest capacity. So yeah, so use it, and as you see, it's a Facebook group that I'm still part of over the years, and they have tons of other they even have a new training site. I think that's what we just looked at. But and it's active in the group. As you can see, it's activity, you know what I'm saying? As you can see, look, it says I did a solo campaign ad. It got 66 pre-enrolls, 45 trial members. Now, what do I offer them for the free funnel to close them? It gives you an answer. He's very active in the group. Like what I'm doing when you join my Facebook group, there's gonna be a Facebook group, just more mindset training and stuff like that. And just put it in the work. Like I said, don't despise humble beginnings. Because this could have been $500 instead of just $50. You know what I'm saying? If I would have took it more seriously, you feel me? So it's $25 per person, and there's gonna be a link at the bottom for a free trial for 2 weeks, or you're gonna see a trial for just getting started. So as you can see, the training is there. Training is here. Tips and tricks. Stuff like this. I wasn't even looking at this type of stuff. And don't be afraid to dig in. So see you at the top. Click that link and let's get started.